Hello students, so let's start today's computer class, and today we will discuss very interesting topic of HTML, and that is how to create hyperlink. About hyperlink we have already discussed in the previous video. Let's quickly recap. So what is a hyperlink? A hyperlink can be a text or it can be an image through which we create a link between two web pages. Fine. So it can be a text or it can be a image. For example, when you open any website, you see first home page, and then from home page, how do you go to the next or other pages? On home page, you find some hyperlinks like home. If it is, for example, school website, then admission, facilities, notice, and so on. Fine. This is the home page. There will be image of school, isn't it? So how do you go to the other pages? To go to the other pages, other web pages, what we do? We click on these hyperlinks. If I want to get information about admission, I will click on admission hyperlink. If I want to get information about facilities, I will click on facility. And as I click on facilities, so it will take us to the other web page related to the facilities provided by school, isn't it? So these are the hyperlinks. You will find the underline that text, and when you bring your cursor over the admission, then hand symbol you will see. Fine. So when you click on that, it will take us to the other web page. This is called hyperlink. And hyperlink can be any text or it can be image also. It can be like, it can be symbol like this for next. To go to the next page, it can be an arrow or it can be any other image also. Fine. So you can make hyperlink of any text as well as of any image. Fine. So today we will learn how to create a hyperlink. See, hyperlink can be of two types. Internal hyperlink as well as external hyperlink. Internal hyperlink means what? It means it connects or it creates a link between two sections of a web page. It creates a link between two sections of a web page. Suppose there is a web page having huge data, huge information. So for that, for example, I am taking one example like you are making on wild animals, like on home page there are links wild animals, domestic animals, fine, or birds categories are there. So 2-3 links are there, birds, then okay, let it be. For example, you want to go to the domestic animals, but information is very large, and to go to the domestic animals we need to scroll up and down the web page. This is scrolling. Fine. To go to the domestic animal, what we will do? We will go up to see the information about domestic animal. So instead of using these scroll bars again and again, what we do? We create a internal hyperlink. Internal hyperlinking matlab means when you click on domestic animal, the content related to domestic animals will come up and will be visible to you. Fine. Directly you will come to that content. This is called internal hyperlink on a single web page. Here we are not using two web pages. Web page is only one. But to prevent from scrolling up and down, to escape from scrolling, what we do? We create a hyperlink which creates a link between two sections, between this and the content related to the or description of domestic animal. Fine. So this is called internal hyperlink. And the second is external hyperlink. External hyperlink means you are creating a link between two web pages. Means when you click on domestic animal, another web page will be opened containing the information about domestic animal. So this is called external hyperlink. And today we will learn external hyperlink, how to create external hyperlink. I hope it is clear. Now I am taking one example. We will create two web pages now because we are learning how to create external hyperlink. So we will create two web pages. So in first web page, what we will do, we will give the BG color, fine, or any background also we can set. So okay, today we will set the background. Background means any image we will set as a background, fine. And then we will give here content. Click here to see your result. Click here to see your result. Fine. So this is a text. And I will make click here as a hyperlink. Fine. What I want that when I click here words, then another page should be opened containing one table which contains the name and few subjects like physics, chemistry, maths. Physics, chemistry, maths. For example, this I want. So what I am doing? I will create two web pages and will create a link between these two web pages through a hyperlink. And I will make this text, click here only, not whole text. Only click here, I will make it hyperlink. So what I want, when I click on the click here, I should go to the table. Fine. First, I will show you how to create a hyperlink of any text. Then I will show you how to create hyperlink of image. Both I will show you. Fine. So let's start. So first, here we will make two web pages. Fine. So let's make the first one. So for first, give the name link. So I am giving the name link.html. So we will save this file as link.html. And like always, we will start the web page with HTML. Then if you want to give title, then head, title, learning about links. Learning about links, and the title close. Fine. Title close. Fine. Then head close. Body tag start. In body, today we will give background as an image. So for that we will use background attribute. Fine. Instead of BG color, either you can use BG color or background. For example, any JPG file is there like flower. Is the image present? It should be present in your system. Then only you can give. I am taking just one example. Flower.jpg, extension of flower. Fine. So it should be present in your computer or drive. Fine. So body background flower.jpg. So background image we have set of flowers. Always set the background light color. Fine. So flower should be of light color, then only you should set them. Okay, then now to create hyperlink. So what was the line? Click here to see your result. For example, so click here first I will write click here with some space. I am leaving some space so that I can create hyperlink of this. Click here to see your result. Fine. This was a line. Now how will I make click here as a hyperlink? Which tag do we use to create a hyperlink? We use anchor tag, and anchor tag anchor. And how do you represent anchor tag? You represent by A. Fine. Anchor is the name. You cannot give brackets. Sorry. Anchor is a name of tag and A is a tag. Fine. A refer to anchor. So which tag do we use to create hyperlink? A tag. That is anchor tag. Fine. Now how will you use that? Click here. Fine. So we will start with A tag. A href. A. Okay, I am writing here in the middle. A href. A stands for anchor and its attribute is href. Href stands for hyperreference. Fine. So in hyperreference, what we give? We give the name of other web page which we want to open. Which file you want to open when I click on click here? Result we want to show that. So let the other web page name is result. So ahref result dot html. In which we have made a table having name physics, chemistry, maths. Name of that web page is result.html. So ahref equals to result.html. Now we will give the name click here. Of click here you want to make the hyperlink. So I will write click here. Fine. Then I will close anchor tag. A tag you can write in small or in capital. Both will work. Fine. Ahref equals to result.html. Click here, then A close. Fine. So after that, click here. We will continue the line. Click here to see your result. This was a line, so I will complete that. Fine. So this is a small web page having the title learning about links and the background flower.jpg, and we have created a hyperlink. That's it. Very easy. Then I will close the body tag. Fine. This body tag I will close here. Then I will close HTML. Fine. So either you can use capitals or smalls, or if by mistake you have mixed the letters, then also it will work. Nothing to worry. Or if you want to maintain that, either you write in small case or in uppercase. Fine. HTML we have closed that. Then we have saved this file with name link.html. So remember this thing. Now I am going to erase that to make the another web page. I hope this is clear. Ahref equals to result.html. Click here. Fine. Now we will make another web page, and another web page name is result.html. So let's make. So to create another web page, I will make changes in the same file, like title. Now I will give students result. Fine. And the file name which we have given in the previous web page, result.html. Fine. Now in this we will give BG color. Instead of background we will give BG color. BG color I will give any light color, yellow let it be. Fine. Now in result, what we are going to show? We will show one small table, and as you know how to create table, we have already discussed. So let's create table fast. Small table we will create. Table TR, then TH, name, TH close, then TH, another I am taking physics. These are the heading, physics, TH close, chemistry and maths, TH close, fine. Then first row we have completed. TR, name, physics, chemistry, maths and TR close. Now we will show some data. And how will we show the data? For that I need to rub this, because second row we need to create. So for the second row I will continue, as the space was not there, I will continue that, another TR, TD, name, you can take any name like Rohit, TD. First was physics, so let it be 75, fine. Then TD, chemistry 85 and maths 90. So I will create only 3 rows, 1 heading and 2 data. So one more TR. In first we are given the heading, and the second we are given the data. Sanya, TD close, let it be 65, TD close, TD 75, TD close, again TD 80, TD close, TR close and table close, then body close and HTML close. Fine. I hope you have understood, because this part we have already discussed. So one table will be created, name, physics, chemistry, maths. And name first we are given Rohit, and marks of Rohit, then Sanya and marks of Sanya. So what we have done, we have created 2 files, link.html and result.html. Separately we have saved, but we will save at the first one place only. Like if you have saved in D drive, the both files should be in D drive. If you will not give both names in at one place, so for that you need to give the full path. Because in previous file we have written only result.html, ahref equals to result.html, isn't it? If you are not giving at one place, then in that case you need to give the path, D drive, then result.html. If it is at one place, no need to give path, only the name, result.html. Fine. So we have created 2 files. Now how will you run the file? First you will run the link.html. So when you run the link.html, what will you get? You will get the output of the link.html, same which I told you. Click here to see the result. Fine. And when you click on click here option, then this file will be opened. this file. What is this file? Result.html. This will be open. So we have created the link between two web pages by using hyperlink. I hope it is clear. Now I will tell how to create. In the next video I will show you the practical of this hyperlink. Fine. So now we will see how to create a hyperlink of any image. So to create hyperlink of any image, I am just giving the syntax ahref, for example, any file name, like the same case I am taking result.html. Now instead of using click here as a hyperlink, if any image would have been there, then how to give ahref result.html, then we will give the image img src, fine, equals to, so you need to give the image name. For example, the image was of any hand like this or this, fine. For arrow you can say arrow, I am taking here arrow.jpg, fine. So this image should be there. I have just taken one example, arrow.jpg. Then a close. So this is the example how to create a hyperlink of the image. So output of this will be, if arrow is the image, suppose like this. This is the image, fine. So when you run this page, this is just a syntax, not a whole page. Whole page you will create the similar way. HTML head, in body you will write this. Just now we have discussed as click here. Instead of click here, if you want to give the image, this is the example for that. Okay. So you will get the image, and when you click on this image, this file will be opened, because we have given in reference result.html. Fine. So in the next video, I will give you explain the same topic of hyperlink, how to create external hyperlink. Fine. Then the things will be more clear. I hope you have understood. So thanks for watching. Thank you so much.